Okay, good morning everyone. Now in continuation with the previous topic, that one is simple regarding to groups. I think that first, second, 13 to 15th group we have done. So today we will do group 16, 17th and 18th. Only their name, okay, after that in detail. Now in case of group 16, okay, group 16 is known as oxygen family because first member is oxygen and second thing is chalcogens. Okay, why chalcogens? Because chalcogens meaning ore forming. Okay, now you know ore, basically it's a simple, it's a mineral from which we can extract metal. That one is whatever is the mineral from which we can extract metal, okay, profitably. Yeah, that one is known as ore. Okay, either it's a bauxite, hematite, galena, so many ores we have that we have done in 10th class. Okay, now in this case members, just see, उससे टेपो, सिंपल, उससे टेपो, किसी से टेपने मत लग जाना, उससे टेपो, इट्स अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म, दैट इज ऑक्सीजन, okay, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. This one is polonium. Okay, so these are members of group 16 elements. Okay, now we have group 17, that one is known as halogen. Okay, now next thing, that one we have group 17th, that one is known as halogen. Group 17 elements, that one is known as halogen. Okay, halogen means sea forming, समुद्र बनाने के काम आते हैं. Okay, that one is sea forming. Actually member of 17th group, okay, they are again responsible भी कह सकते हैं, और generally in C that some of the components are present. So in that one generally group 17 elements are also present in C. So it means it is helpful in formation of C. That's why these group members are known as halogens. Okay, and short form that one is फसल variety. It's not variety, थोड़ा सा गांव वाला हिसाब करते हैं, कुछ वेराइटी बोलेंगे. ओके, इट्स अ फसल वेराइटी, फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन एंड दिस वन इज एस्टेटाइन. Okay, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and this one is astatine. Okay, now this one is regarding to 17th group, and you know chlorine, bromine, iodine, that one is present in C. Okay, that's why these group member, this group is known as halogen. Now after that we have last group, that one is 18th group. Okay, and that 18th group is, you know, noble gases, or you can say inert gas, either it's a rare gases, okay, or zero group. Now we have group 18th, okay, group 18th elements. Now in case of group 18th elements, I think you know this one is group 18th element. Now in this group members or elements, that one is known as noble gases or inert gases or rare gases, or you can say zero group. Okay, why zero group? Because you know in case of 18th group their outermost shell is complete, it means their valency is zero, that's why known as zero group. Now in this one members, okay, no particular shortcut, starting letters I have learned, like this one, simple, it's a he, ni, kar, ziran. Okay, now just see, this one is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, this one. So these are noble gases, okay, or you can say it's inert gases. Actually now previously we used this word, okay, that one is inert gases. Why? Because you know in case of group 18th element, that one was known as inert gases previously. Okay, why? Because inert means they are chemically inert, they will not react with any other element or compound, not at all, whatever is the condition is, कुछ भी condition है, they will not react. But later on, okay, some discoveries were there, some reactions was there, बहुत सारी चीजें हुई हैं, and now you know that one is some elements like xenon, krypton, okay, they react under drastic condition, means if there is a drastic condition, maybe high temperature, pressure, it depends upon condition. Okay, so xenon, krypton, they will react, not under normal condition but under drastic condition they will react, and they form different compounds like XeF2, XeF4, XeO3 etc. means ये react करते हैं. It means these group members are not inert, ये inert नहीं है. Okay, but noble gases are there. Noble means कि under normal condition they will not react, they are chemically inert, but under drastic condition they will react. But these three are completely inert, they will not react at all. So instead of inert gases, nowadays we will use a word, that one is noble gases for 18th group elements. अब हम इन्हें क्या यूज़ करते हैं, noble gas यूज़ करते हैं. Although inert भी करोगे तो गलत नहीं है, but still पता होना चाहिए कि what's the difference between noble gas and inert gas. Hope so it's clear to you कि noble gases because they will not react under normal condition, but inert अब नहीं कहते generally, but कह भी दोगे तो गलत नहीं होगा. Okay, but these are, so this one is the difference between noble gas and inert gas because they will react under drastic condition. Okay, and why they are known as rare gases? Okay, actually that 18th मतलब actually noble gases they occur in traces in atmosphere. नेचर में ये बहुत माइन्यूट अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट होते हैं इन ट्रेसेस. दैट्स व्हाई दिस वन इज नोन एज रेयर गैसेस, एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न. ओके, जो आपकी जितनी भी नोबल गैसेस हैं बहुत लेट डिस्कवर हुई हैं एज कंपैरिजन टू अदर एलिमेंट्स. ओके, व्हाई? बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे विल नॉट रिएक्ट विद एनीवन. ठीक है, जैसे कोई बच्चा होता है ना क्लास में जो शैतानी भी नहीं कर रहा, कोने में कहीं है ना, वो पढ़ने में बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है ना, कोई शैतान है, तो जनरली उसका नाम ना कोई पहचानता नहीं है. ठीक है, तो सेम कंडीशन, एलिमेंट्स वर देयर, एटमॉस्फेयर में थे प्रेजेंट, बट ऑल दे आर नॉन रिएक्टिव, दे विल नॉट रिएक्ट विद एनीवन कि कुछ पता चले कि कोई है. ओके, सेकेंड थिंग इज दे आर प्रेजेंट इन वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट. तो उसकी प्रेजेंस में क्या हुआ, काफ़ी टाइम लगा. दैट वॉज द रीजन बिकॉज देयर अमाउंट इज दे आर प्रेजेंट इन वेरी लेस अमाउंट. दैट्स वाई दे आर नोन एज रेयर gases. Okay, so this one is regarding to your 18th group. Okay, next we will